In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a FAQ page on your Wix website. A FAQ page, or Frequently Asked Questions page, is a great way to answer common customer concerns in one place. It can help visitors find information faster, reduce repetitive messages, and make your site feel more professional and helpful. The good news is that Wix makes this process very simple. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. Once you are inside the editor, look to the left side of the menu and click Add Apps. This will open the Wix App Market, where you can search for extra tools and features to add to your website. In the search bar, type Wix FAQ, then find the app and click Add to Site. After a moment, the FAQ section will be added directly to your canvas, where you can begin editing it. Next, click on the newly added FAQ section and select Manage FAQs. This is where you will add the actual content your visitors will read. Before entering your questions, it's a good idea to organize them into logical categories, such as shipping, returns, or general. Grouping your content this way makes the page easier to browse and helps users quickly find the answers they need. Now click Add Question. Type in your question and then write the answer below it. Keep your answers clear, concise, and useful. If needed, you can enrich your answers by adding images, videos, or links. This can be especially helpful if an answer needs a visual example or if you want to direct visitors to another page for more details. Once your questions and answers are in place, you can move on to customizing the appearance of the FAQ section. Click the FAQ section on your page and choose Settings. From there, select the layout style you prefer, such as accordion, classic, or list. Each layout changes how the content is displayed, so choose the one that best fits your website style and the amount of information you are sharing. You can also turn features like the search bar on or off, depending on whether you want visitors to search through your FAQs. After that, click the Design tab to update fonts, colors, and backgrounds, so the FAQ section matches your brand. Consistent design helps your page feel polished and cohesive with the rest of your website. When everything looks the way you want, add the new page to your site navigation menu, so visitors can easily find it. Then click Preview in the top right corner to test the expandable answers, and make sure everything works properly. If all looks good, go ahead and click Publish. Thanks for watching.